All right, hey my friends, so in this video I'm going to give you a thorough walkthrough and show you how to create your own custom funnel with Clickmagick. Okay, so this is optional, and this is only for those of you who want to split test or run your own custom landing pages to the funnel, all that good stuff. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to connect it to the most current version of the challenge funnel. Okay, when you go to your promo links here, okay, on the bottom, this landing page, this opt-in page, will always be the most current winning version of the landing pages, okay, on a from the ecosystem. So if you just want to promote that straight up, that's totally cool. Okay, otherwise, if you are using the sales page, this sales page will be the most current winning version of the sales page as well. Okay, and don't really worry about the checkout page just yet. Okay, so I want to walk you through right now what happens behind this this sales page, which is at this moment this is the one that we're using. Okay, so what happens when somebody opts in for $1, creates an account? What happens is this. Okay, so this is how our current funnel is structured. Okay, I'm going to walk you through it, and I'm going to show you how to set it up for yourself if you want to use custom landing pages, etc., etc. Okay, so in this example, okay, in this walkthrough, I'm going to assume that you want to use multiple landing pages, perhaps, right? So, and you can create them in Clickmagick, or excuse me, ClickFunnels, and you can build your list. So what happens is when I send traffic to, right, when I send a visitor to this landing page, okay, when they opt in, they'll be redirected to obviously this page here. When they go and pay $1, okay, they will be presented with a page that's going to say, hey, you can lock in your spot and you can upgrade and you can confirm your spot for $49 a month as a charter member of the 4%, right, and get access to the challenge. So essentially, what they're doing here is instead of waiting for them, for 7 days for them to get rebilled for the $49, they're basically saying, hey, yeah, I want to pay the $49 right now. I want to confirm my spot as a charter member right here and there, right? And so we currently have about we've got about, on average, this is across the board, about 20%. This is average numbers between good traffic, bad traffic, all that stuff, right? About 20% of people that paid $1, okay, they're opting in and paying $49 right there and there, okay? So as soon as they pay the $49, they get also presented with an opportunity to upgrade to a lifetime membership of the 4% and become a lifetime member for one-time payment of $497. It's all happening in a one-click upgrade or one-click upsell process with ClickBank. Okay, so all they have to do is just click a button and they get redirected and they get charged, right? So right now, out of these people that have paid the $49, okay, we are seeing about 15% approximately. Okay, again, depending on the traffic, all that stuff, about 15% of people, okay, are opting in for the $497 and becoming a lifetime immediately. Okay, and then they go to a thank you page. If they said no to the $49 here, then they get taken straight to the thank you page. And if they said no to the $497 but said yes to the $49, then obviously they get taken to a thank you page as well on that one. Okay, so this is kind of like the behind the curtain view of the funnel currently. Okay, and then obviously when they get to the thank you page, they can log into the back office and then they start going through the challenge. All right, so how do you set this up in Clickmagick? Okay, so in Clickmagick, I want to be able to set it up so I can see, right, if I want to use custom landing pages here, which I can build in ClickFunnels. If you're going through the challenge, you are learning how to do that, right? Especially when you get into like sessions 24, 25, I believe in there. Okay, but I want to be able to track my conversion across the board. So as people are coming through, I want to track them. I want to track how many people are coming in per different traffic source. So this is traffic source 1, traffic source 2, traffic source 3, right? And I'm sending that traffic here. So per individual traffic source, how do I track? Okay, how many people are opting in for $1, opting into my list, taking this upsell or this upsell per individual traffic avenue, right, that I'm sending. So in order for me to do that, I have to create a custom funnel inside Clickmagick, and this is exactly, I'm going to walk you through how to do that. Okay, so there is 5 steps we're going to take here. Okay, I'm gonna walk you guys through these as and I'm gonna create myself like a demo version here of this custom funnel. Okay, so step number one is I'm gonna clone my existing 4% challenge default funnel. Okay, so let's go back here. What you can also do is you can go to Clickmagick. Okay, and if you just go to help and go to FAQ and then just type in 4% here, or anything related to 4%, or VIC, or anything. Let's say they just, say you put 4% in here and then click on search FAQ. Okay, you will also find these articles and these videos here. So how do I create my 4% challenge funnel? This might be the first step that you need to take, because if you don't do this first initial step, you will have no funnel to even base off of, right? So your step number one, or step number 0, I should say, probably, right? If you have not imported this default 4% challenge default funnel, okay, into your Clickmagick, then again, go to help, FAQ, type in 4%, click on this, how do I create my 4% funnel? And there is a video already done, this video here, that's gonna walk you guys through how to create your default funnel, okay, and how to import that default funnel. So assuming I already have the default funnel, by the way, that default funnel will be, when I go to funnels, it will be that 4% challenge. That's a default funnel. I can't really see if I click on it. This is read-only funnel. I can't really modify it, right? It's just default. Okay. Now, next, what I can do, right, is I can, if I have specific questions on, for example, how do I, create a custom opt-in page for the challenge, all this stuff, there's more articles that you can learn from the Clickmagick. In this video, I'm going to walk you guys through how to basically create a custom funnel from scratch. Okay, so I already have my default funnel here. This is my default funnel. Step number 1, I need to clone that funnel. Okay, so I'm going to go on this little pencil here. I'm going to click on clone. All right, and I'm going to call this one, I'm going to say custom 4% challenge, or you know what, I'm gonna say 4% challenge custom funnel. Okay, 4% challenge custom funnel. All right, I'm gonna click on clone funnel. Boom, there it is right now. Okay, 4% challenge custom funnel. Okay, so that step number 1 is completed. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that with you here like that, so that we can, follow along. So if you need to pause this video, and when you got to this point, boom, pause this video right now, and we're gonna go to step number 2, which is we'll need to set pages and URLs. Okay, so for that, I'm gonna go and open up my 4% challenge custom funnel here that I just cloned. Okay, and see, I can modify this funnel now. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the landing page. What I'm doing right now is I'm gonna be basically laying out these pages here. I'm gonna need to lay out these pages in the funnel. So I got my landing pages, I've got my sales page, I've got my upgrade 1, upgrade 2, and I got my thank you page. Okay, at the time of me shooting this for you, okay, I have these pages, so I need to create the necessary pages. So I'm gonna click on settings on opt-in page. Okay, and I'm gonna be using, okay, I'll be using ClickFunnels. Hold on one sec. Okay, so I'll be using ClickFunnels. So when I go to settings here, right, this will be my opt-in page, but I will remove this, and I'm gonna replace this URL with my custom landing page that I will be using from ClickFunnels. Okay, so I've got, let's say I go to browse funnels here, and this is just example purpose. Whatever your landing pages will be, whatever, whichever ones you want to use, you can use them. So like, for example, I have this version here. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this version, I'm gonna open this up, like that, and I'm gonna grab this URL. Okay, this entire URL here, I'm gonna copy it, I'm gonna bring it here, and I will paste this as my opt-in page number 1. Okay, now what I will also do is I want to be able to split test multiple landing pages. So if I have more than one landing page, which in my example I do, okay, I can add split test. Okay, see, if I go to this becomes my default landing page. This is an opt-in page here, right? And I can split test again against another variation, which I'm gonna come here, okay, go to my funnels, and there is another variation that I created that I want to split test, right? Let's say, you know, this is, I want to see how it's going to do. Here's a version 2. I'm going to open this up again, okay, as a separate page. I'm going to copy the URL. I'll come back here. I'll click on split testing, okay, and I will add split test URL, okay. I'm going to say, let's see, watch over shoulder, okay. And the reason I'm saying it's watch over shoulder is because this is watch over my shoulder. You know, it's just your identifier. You can do whatever. Okay, I'm gonna do that. And this becomes my primary URL. This becomes my secondary. Okay, so this is a landing page that, and I will do I'll do 50%. Okay, I'll do 50-50. Okay. 59-41. Nope. I do equalize weights. I'll do this equalize weight. So I'll do 50% will go to this one, 50% will go to that one. Okay. All right, and I'll click on save. Okay. Boom. So I've got my landing pages here. Okay. That's all good. Now next, this is my sales page here. Okay, so we got the landing pages taken care of. All right, I will do that. So I've got this taken care of, right? So then I'll go to my challenge $1 trial page. So this becomes my sales page. Okay, I do not need to change anything here. Okay, you do not need to change anything here. This becomes a sales page. Leave it the way it is. Okay, so then I will detach all of these pages, okay, just because I'm going to add new pages as well, right? So my opt-in page, I'll connect to my sales page. That's fine. Just make sure that you're connected and it's actually connected, okay? So then I need to add an upsell page, this one right here, okay? So I'm going to go add page. There's my page. I'm going to go to settings, and I'm going to call this one, I'm going to say $49 upgrade. Okay, $49 upgrade. So then what you will do is you will need to, you need to enter the URL for this 49 upgrade page. All right, so the URL that I'll need to enter for that one, okay, is going to be this one right here, $49 upgrade. And again, you'll probably find these URLs reflecting here somewhere around this video. Okay, so that would be the URL, 4%.com/GL-upgrade. Okay, and this page type is going to be upsell. Okay, this will be a goal page. Yes. Okay, and it'll be a sale, and this will be a sale for $1. Okay, for sale for $1. And the reason that I'm saying that this is a sale for $1 when they just paid $49 is because it's a step behind. Okay, so this is a goal page for this. See what I'm saying? So if they took $1, they'll be landing on this page. Okay, so when they landed on this page, it basically means that they just paid $1. So the action on this page becomes a sale for the previous page. Make sense? So I'm going to say when they landed on this page, that means that they have paid $1, and so I can track it. It's a goal page, right? So make sure you have it selected as goal. I'm going to click on save. Okay, perfect. So we can connect. Okay, we can connect these. Make sure they're all connected. Okay. So next, I'm going to add another funnel page, and this will be my $497 upgrade. Yes. So this will be my $497 upgrade, and the URL. Okay, so this is the actual page here. All right. So lifetime super deal. Bam. I'm gonna paste that in there. So this becomes my $497 upgrade. Okay. Again, you'll find this URL somewhere around this video. All right. So this is an upsell. This will be a goal page. Yep. And so when they land here, right, on this super deal, the lifetime upgrade, again, there's a step behind, right? So this will be a goal. This will be an action or a conversion from the previous one, which is the $49. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say it'll be a sale for the $49. Okay, now as an affiliate, okay, I can indicate my affiliate commission here. So approximately, I'm gonna say it's, I'll be earning $20 as a partner here for the 4%. Again, you can be super specific. Just for example purposes here, I'm just gonna be super. I'll just round it up, right? I'll be like $20 per sale that I'll be making here. So when they, when they pay 49, okay, I'm making like $20 approximately, maybe like 22 or something like that, right? So I'm just gonna say $20. Okay, great. So that's that. I'm gonna click on save. Okay, so we connect these two pages together. All right, make sure they're connected. All right, perfect. So then, okay, we've got a thank you page. Okay, now thank you page will stay the same. Okay, I can click on settings, and so I can see this is a thank you page, right? 4%.com /CB thanks, which is good. Now here I'm gonna just indicate my earnings, okay, potential earnings when somebody upgrades to the 497. Okay, so what that means, okay, is when they pay 497, how much money am I going to earn as an affiliate? It's about, I think it's about $220 or so. Again, you do the math on it. I'll just say $200 just for example purposes here, but you indicated there. Okay, so I'm going to save my thank you page. Okay, great. Now here's what I'm going to do. When I'm connecting the thank you page, I'll connect the thank you page to my 497 upgrade. Okay, but I also, and this is important, okay, I will also connect my thank you page from the $49 upgrade. Okay, so if they say no, okay, if they say no to this, they'll be taken straight to the thank you page. And if they say yes, they'll go here. And if they say no here, they'll go here. Or if they buy from here, they'll still go here. Does that make sense? So this is how my connecting of the dots is going to look like, okay? So what we did here is we did step number 2. Okay, we set up pages and URLs. Okay, check. So if you need to pause this video and watch this section again, do that. I'm gonna move on and go to my step number 3 here, which will add Clickmagick tracking code to custom landing pages. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna save changes. Okay, make sure that you save changes. All right, then this is a funnel I'm working with, right? And I will need to go to my gear, go to tracking code. All right, see this tracking code right here? I'm going to copy that tracking code. Okay, if I just click on it, you'll see it says code copied. Now I need to enter this code. I need to paste this code on my custom landing pages. Okay, so I'm going to go to my ClickFunnels. I'm going to go to this page right here. Okay, I'm going to open it up. I'm going to go to settings. I'll go tracking code. Okay, and I've got some conversion pixels here. That's fine. I'm going to paste that code right here from Clickmagick, okay, as the first code. All right, great. I'm going to click on save, and I'll do the same thing. I'll exit out from this page. I'll go to my other variation. Okay, so any landing pages that you're going to be connecting to, okay, which is going to be this one as well. I'll open it in editor. I'll go to tracking code. Okay, and I will paste that code in here. Okay, just like that. All right, there you go. Perfect. All right, so I've got my tracking codes pasted. So now the system will know, right? So it will track my conversions. So we just connected step number 3. Okay. So next I'm going to go to step number 4 and set up my thank you page URL. So thank you page, when somebody opts in here, okay, and this will be important. When somebody opts in, they'll go to my list. Okay. But they also need to be redirected to this page right here. Okay. Now, because I'm using these pages as custom pages in ClickFunnels, I need to set up a redirect URL to this page, but it has to be specific. Okay, it has to be very, very specific. So here's how I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna come back. I'll go to Clickmagick. Okay, I will go to help. Watch this closely. Okay, I'll go to help. I'll go FAQ. okay? And I will here, let's see, I'll go to how I set up my how I customize my opt-in pages for the challenge funnel. Okay, we'll go here. I'll scroll all the way down, and there is a button. It says create thank you page URL. See this? It's a little script. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to select my funnel that I'm working with. And so in this example, I'm working with 4% challenge custom funnel. Okay, I'll click on that. I'll click I'll click on generate my URL. So this now becomes, okay, this becomes my thank you page URL. Watch, I'm going to copy it. Okay, I will go to my funnels, to my landing pages here. I'll click on edit, this first one. Okay, and I'll go to general. All right, I'll remove unsubmit go to. Okay, it's very, very important. Unsubmit go to, and you want to do Control V, paste it. Make sure that you pasted the whole thing. Okay, you will click off to the side and save. Okay, I'll do that same thing on the other page. Let me go here. All right, we'll do the same thing on this page here. We'll go to edit, go settings, settings, general. All right, unsubmit go to. So basically when people submit, all right, I'll Control V, paste that thank you page URL. It's very, very important. Okay, make sure that you copy your own custom thank you page URL. Unsubmit, go to there. Okay, and I will click on save. All right, perfect. So what we have done now, okay, is we have set up step number 4. Let me be proper here with you. Okay, bam. All right, so awesome. So next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it. Okay, I'm going to create an entry link. Step number 5, I'm going to create an entry link and test the funnel. Okay, so I'll go to my Clickmagick here. All right, I'm going to go to funnels. So there's my funnel here, right? 4% challenge custom funnel. Great. I'm going to go here. I'm going to create entry link. So this will become like my funnel tracking link, right? And I'll click on new link. Okay, I'm going to add traffic source. I'll just say testing funnel. Okay, add traffic source, testing funnel, and I'll name it as testing funnel. Okay, like that, just for my records. Create entry link. So bam, so that becomes my entry link, okay, for that funnel. So what I can do, okay, is now I'm going to open up, I'm going to copy it, just click on it, copy it, right? So I'll open up a separate browser. I'm going to open up incognito window, and I will go ahead and paste that link in there. It should take me to a landing page, which it did. Okay, awesome. Try it again. Bam. See now? It rotates, right? So I visited the 2 landing pages right now. Same link. I just I just pasted it twice. So you're just gonna split test between these 2 versions. Okay. Let's say I opted on this one. Let's say I say testing link 3@gmail.com, which obviously is a fake email, right? I'm gonna click on the submit request access. It should redirect me to my sales page, which it did, right? Bam, it redirected me here. So we just did this. We just split tested 2. We just saw the rotation of the 2 landing pages, okay? And it redirected me to, and I opted in, so it went to my list. So I should see a conversion, okay? So let's see. Now, what you can, I'm not gonna go through this entire process and split test or test it for, for the entire thing, right? It will work. Okay, but obviously I'm not going to pay the $49 and $4.97 to test it, but the process will work. So now this works. So let me go back here, okay, and go to my funnels. And sometimes it might take up to 60 seconds, but look, what just happened here is I just had a visitor and I had an action. Okay, so what I can do is I can go here now and I can click on this reports, right? And I can do, let's see, I can do funnel step reporting. Okay, so see now it kind of shows me, right? I can see my visual how people are progressing. So I had one visitor, I had 2 clicks on the landing pages, I had 1 unique click, okay, and then I had 1 opt-in. And obviously as people progress, I can see, but see, I can do that per traffic source, right? So this was testing funnel, okay, bam. So I can really drill down and see per traffic source, what my conversions are and all that good stuff, right? So this is how you create yourself a custom funnel for the 4% challenge using your custom landing pages if you'd like. Okay, hope that makes sense. If you need to watch it over and over again, so essentially what we've done is we have completed all these 5 steps and it works, and we call it the shaky boom effect. All right, awesome. Go ahead and if you want to do this for yourself, go ahead and set it up. If you need to watch this video like 32 times, please do that, no problem. It's here for you.